Welcome students in the first math lab class for the session. Today we are going to do our activity based on the chapter cards and wheels. The aim of this activity is to show parts of a circle by paper folding. The material required for this activity is as follows: craft papers, 5 Fevistick, sketch pens and 1 bowl to draw the circle. So, to start with the activity, we have to show the circumference and the center of the circle. For this, I have taken some craft papers. I'll take a bowl and draw a circle using my pencil or a sketch pen. It will look like this. Then I'll cut these circles using a scissor as I have done it here. Now we proceed with our activity. So this one is my first circle. In this circle I am going to show the circumference and the center of the circle. As I have cut this circle using a bowl, I don't know its center. So in this case, if I want to find out the center, what will I do is, I'll give one fold to this circle to make it half. Then I'll give one more fold to this circle. When I open this circle, I get a point where these two crease, the two lines meet. This point now is called the center of the circle. I'll mark it as the center of my circle. Now comes the boundary. When we move along the boundary of the circle, it is called the circumference of the circle, which I'll show using the broken line as I am doing it. Now this broken line represents the boundary or the circumference of the circle. So I'll write here circumference of my circle. So in this circle I have shown the circumference and center of the circle. Now we'll take the second circle to show the diameter of the circle. Let us proceed. So in this circle I am going to show the diameter of the circle. I'll give just one fold to this circle, and the crease which I get here, this line, is called the diameter of the circle. This is passing through the center. So I'll again represent it using the broken line. You can see this line passing through the center of the circle. We'll show it as the diameter of the circle. Now we proceed to the next part. In this we are going to show the radius, arc and the chord of the circle. To show these three parts, I have taken the three circles. First, we'll do the radius of the circle. To show the radius of the circle, I'll give one fold to the circle, which gives me the diameter. The second fold to this circle. So here the line from the center to the boundary of the circle. Once again, from the center to the boundary of the circle is called the radius of the circle. The next one, I take one more circle and fold only a small part of this circle. You can see the different color, the plain one. Here the straight line from the boundary of the circle to the other point on the boundary of the circle gives me the chord of the circle. So the straight line, I'll mark it with the broken line. This does not pass through the center. It represents the chord of the circle. Now again same fold I'll give to my one more circle, a small fold, but this time I'll mark the distance between 2 points of the boundary, but in some other way. I'll draw the dotted broken line on this curved part. This represents the arc of the circle. Now what we are supposed to do is, we have all the different parts of the circle here. We'll take a A4 size sheet or the scrapbook page. If we have the scrapbook, you can paste these circle cutouts on your scrapbook page as I am showing you here. First the circumference, then comes the diameter, then comes the chord of the circle, here the arc and the radius of the circle. So it will look like this. So this is all for the day.